Hey students, today I'm going to teach you about horizontal centering and vertical centering. We're going to make an invitation as I show you how to do all this. This invitation, note that on the instructions in the handout you've received, you can make any invitation you like. It can be a birthday party, school dance, FBLA event, which is Future Business Leaders of America, or anything that kind of interests you as well. Sweet 16, which is not too far from you guys. But first off, we need to go ahead and set up our Microsoft Word document to vertical centering. Please remember to get to Microsoft Word, you click the left dot in the bottom, All Programs, scroll down. You'll see Microsoft Office 2013 and Word 2013. If you don't see 2013, that's okay. You can use any version that's on the computer. Alright, let's do that vertical centering. If you click on Page Layout, Page Setup, click this little Advanced button right here that my mouse just clicked. Go to Layout. You'll see it right here, vertical alignment. We're going to change that to center. So I'll say it again, and remember you can pause and rewind. Page Layout, Page Setup, Layout. It's that little advanced button there. Click OK, and now we are in the center of the page completely. You'll notice on the handout that you have, you're going to start with, you are cordially invited to a Enter Membership Brunch. It's also telling you the size and how to format. We can also see it's a little blue in parts. You can do that as well, or make any color you want. We're also going to be adding a picture in the top right. But to start, let's go ahead and click back home, and you can create a border. You can see this over here in the paragraph group. Go to Outside Borders. And now it's looking more like the sheet already. We're going to, if you look on the right where the arrow is pointing to your cordially invited 2A, it says size 14 italics. I'm going to increase this to 14. You can see where my mouse is. And click italics. I'm also going to choose a nice, pretty font because it's an invitation. I think I'm going to do Broadway. You are cordially invited to A. Now I can press enter. It looks like it's double space here, so we'll put that double space. Now let's get rid of the italicized, click on bold, and increase this to 16 because we can see it pointing at Membership Brunch. I'm going to do exactly what's on the sheet here. You can choose to put a different event. Enter, enter. And now I'll go to the center. See where my mouse is? Clicking the center. And don't forget to pause and rewind if you need to. It's all lowercase now. We're going to get rid of the bold and we're going to go back to 14. Notice it capitalized on its own right there. If you want to get rid of it when it does that, just click the undo button up here. And it'll go back to the original setting. 1, 2. It's on the left side again. And I'm going to do Future Business Lead. Need that L. Leaders of America. Enter, enter. And now it all looks single space. I'm going to go back to my center. All of this is still size 14. On Friday, October 31st, let's do 17, at 10 a.m., in room 113. You could put your house on the vocational hall or anywhere you want to go. Hawaii, I don't care. And free to all students. Now if you notice, this was a pretty blue, so if you click and drag and highlight, you can go over and pick the blue you want to use. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to do the Format Painter. Remember that little sucker I taught you? I'm going to click that. And I'm going to go here in the beginning, Future Business Leaders of America. Both of those are now a pretty bold and blue color. I can also change the font a bit because you'll see that Sponsored By and these look the same. If you want, you can change the font, but you don't have to. Next, you're going to add a picture. If you want to insert a picture, you go to Insert. Then Online Pictures. Now I'm going to pick a picture that fits what I'm interested in doing. Since I'm doing a brunch, which is basically it's right between breakfast and lunch, I want to add a picture that entices people to want to come and eat food with me. So let's see. Oh, there's a lot of yummy food here. I'm going to go with these pancakes and fruit. I'll click Insert. There it is. Note, it's really big. And it also took the place of all the words. So you're going to want to click this button right here, which gives us some options. You click it, and you're going to go here to In Front of Text. Look where my mouse is. That puts the picture on top of everything. And now I'm clicking it and dragging it and putting this corner close to this corner, but not on it. Then I go to the other corner and shrink it down so that it fits. I think I'm going to add a frame too to make it pretty. How about, ooh, I like that one. I'm going to drag it over just a little so it's away from the edge. And now I have my invitation complete that I can send out to people and ask them to come to my membership brunch. And that is all there is to it. Complete it and turn it in by the end of class. Good luck.